right, today I'm going to look at our raw files. What happens when you go to open those in, whether you're checking them out in Bridge or Lightroom. I'm going to go into Bridge because I often use Bridge. I like how you have a little thumbnail here and then a large version of it over here. And you can use the arrow keys to just bounce through it. So CR2 files. One mistake some people make is they go, oh, I want to edit this, so they double click it or they hit the return key. So that's telling the program to open it in Photoshop, but Photoshop can't handle raw files directly. It first opens up into this mini program called Camera Raw, which is great. This is a lot like Lightroom, so you can actually do a lot of things in here. And then you have to answer one of these questions down here. Cancel it, done, or open it in Photoshop. So if you don't do that, the computer won't let you go on to do anything else. You try to click out and log out and it won't let you. It's because it is waiting for you to answer one of these questions. So from here you can go ahead and save it if you wanted to. Make sure you're paying attention to the location and all of that. If you want to open it in Photoshop, you absolutely can. You can open it in Photoshop. So now we are in Photoshop. If you wanted to try to continue working on it, you could. But when you're in Photoshop and you are done, to save it or export it in Photoshop, you actually have to go to File, Save As, or Save a Copy. Save As doesn't give you as many options as Save a Copy. Save a Copy gives you a whole bunch of options like JPEG. Save As doesn't always give you JPEG option. So you can rename it if you need to. Make sure you know where it's going. And then right here, always max that out to 12. If you go less than 12, then you're just literally throwing away detail in your photo. So if you're going to throw away detail in your photo, there's no point in buying a nice camera. You might as well just use a point and shoot. Click OK, and it will save.